What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Actually in my backyard right now. I don't know why, but welcome back. How you guys been? It's been a while. It's been pouring these few days and I couldn't record anything because I don't know, the rain usually puts me in a mood. I don't know if it puts you in a mood, but it does to me. I'm actually gonna make a video for you guys today, even though it's raining and it's like kind of gloomy and all that. But I'm gonna do a video for you guys today. I actually got a new steering wheel. I actually got it like a couple months back. Shout out to Bob for getting it for me. And I also want to give a shout out to the homie Travis for selling me my quick release bag, and he actually had a short hub for me. So shout out to my boy over there. But I'll get it right now. Today I'm gonna be installing the short hub, a quick release, and the actual steering wheel. But I'll show you right now. This is the steering wheel I have. Pretty super clean, brother. But it's just a regular Nardi. I think it's a 350. I gotta take off this is that MR2 hub, so I gotta take that off. So usually 6 bolts right there, and I'll show you guys what the short hub I got. So I was trying to get a Momo hub, just like my sedan right here, because I usually don't like the quick releases. See, this is just the hub, and it's super sturdy. No quick release, because I don't really like quick releases. I kind of find them like kind of cheap, but I guess I'm gonna run it on the wagon this time. This is my old NRG quick release. It's an anniversary one, and then an NRG short hub. So NRG everything and black everything. But I feel like this color is gonna be nice, all black, and then silver on the steering wheel. So yeah, I'll show you guys right here. So right now the short hub is right here. For you guys that don't know, right here, this is the short hub. This is the quick release. I get the steering wheel. So you're gonna need your steering wheel. You're gonna need your quick release. This is part of the quick release. The other piece is literally on it. It's not even stapled on. And then your short hub's right here. This is that one that's actually gonna go on the hub first. But yeah, this is all you need. And then the cool thing about the NRG anniversary one, it locks up. There's like a safety lock right here. See right there. And then once you put it in, it still won't lock up until you actually line it all up. Oh, let me set the camera right. See? Then it locks up. And then in order to take off the quick release, you have to pull this back, but you have to also press this button now. The old NRGs don't have that, so that's what's cool. We're actually gonna go to Dallas's house. We're not gonna do it here because most of the things get recorded at Dallas's house because, you know, it's lit. It's more lit over there. But this Saturday we actually have a 3 weekend, so I could be recording for you guys every day. Hopefully it doesn't rain, so I could get more content in for you guys. But this Saturday we are actually going to Grange. There is an event. I think it's 90s forever 90s, like, or 90s forever. I don't know, it's one of those drift events. So we're gonna actually go there. We're gonna watch our homies drift, and I'll probably get some content for you guys. But we'll see you at Dallas's house. The assistant, Kassan Alabedi.
Shut up. Talk to me like that.
So we're taking out the steering wheel, the stock one. I think we should take out the battery first, just in case something flies at us. Because usually you should take off the battery, because the airbag, who knows, the airbag could fly out and blow your face off. But you just want to take off this plastic panel, which is a screw right here, and then there's like 2 on each side of the steering wheel. I'll try to get a better video. Battery's off right now, so take out the battery so you don't blow up. What the fuck was that?
Lawsuit.
Hero.
I'm claiming from the.
Watch out.
I'm claiming from the
Nigga got
winds.
toilet paper.
I'm claiming from the winds and the hot ones.
Shut the fuck up.
Oh, what do you got?
Hey, watch out.
Shut up.
Did you get the one down here?
Yes, fool.
Okay, then it should come out.
I didn't want to tug on it yet.
Okay. There you go. So that plastic piece comes out. I know. So this comes off.
Hopkins been teaching me a new way. Slow and subtle.
Okay. The top. There you go. Slow and subtle. I mean, me and you just blow it off. Jake sus. So you want to be careful so you don't fuck anything up. Oh my god.
But if you fuck it up, fuck it.
No. Oh my god, guys, you're scratching it. God. Turn the bolts so you can show them right here. Shine the light right here. So it's like a star pattern bolt. Let me zoom in. So it's a star pattern bolt.
Might as well just put your mouth around my weenie.
I think it's bigger.
27.
Or smaller? So it's like a T27. Here, let me try it out. See, it looks like this. Yeah, smaller? Sure it's steady?
That's the one.
That's it? Why is it kind of loose? Here, let me see.
Watch out.
Alright. So I guess this is a T27. It's kind of small, so that's why. And you have to get it in there.
Give me the 30?
What, the 30?
Give it to me.
So it's not a 27, it's a T30. So if you guys wanted to know, it's a T30 to take two of the screws out on the left and right. Damn, that shit was tight. So yeah, you just take those two off right now. Jesus. You're good. So these two bolts are basically holding the airbag. So once you take both of them off, the airbag will come right out, and then you have to take out the cruise control, and that's about it. And then take out the big bolt. I think it's like a 17 or 19. Or 14, yeah, actually. And then it shouldn't have to come all the way out.
Can I get your vapor, brother?
Hoffman D. Where is it? Right, came out, just put over there.
17.
So it's a 17, and then you have to get the 17. This is the main bolt right here.
As black as they're gonna get.
Whoa. So the main hub is, oh no, guys, you don't take that off yet, hold on.
The cruise control, fool.
No, watch, just take off here.
Oh,
So you just take out the bolt, yeah. Take off the bolt. It's a 19, but you're gonna need an extension.
Hold the
so reach
steering.
out. There we go. Take that off. It should be coming off.
Nah, do not
You
take
gotta
it.
like bang it off.
Listen, people, do not take it off. Put the bolt right at the end,
And just start banging on it.
and then
Just don't break anything. You have to start banging it because it won't come off. There you go. Yeah, give her some love.
Oh, you trying to change the steering wheel?
Yeah.
You need to pull her.
Now you just need a mallet.
No, I go like this.
That's what Gus is trying to do. Don't break my shit.
I just don't want to.
Watch out. I'll do it. Did you hold on?
Yeah, I put the bolt on so that shit don't smack me in the mouth. It's my first rodeo.
Oh, there you go. And that's it. Then you have to take out that whole black piece.
Wait, fool.
Screw 4 of the screws from the cruise control. Here, let me see, move your hand. It's from this thing. So this whole thing will come out with the steering wheel, so you won't need this either. So yeah, take that off. And once we take it off, I'll show you what it looks like. But this is how it looks like right now. This part comes off, you just unplug all of them, and then you want to hide it. Yeah, there you go. That'll be a bitch. Just gonna have to unplug it. Right here. No, this is like a switch, you open it up. Yeah, like pull it
Can't
up.
see that one.
Yeah, there. Now it's a plug right there. See? Yeah, so you have to open the switch and then unplug it from there.
That's what I was
There
trying,
you go.
but
Yeah. Thank you. So you don't want to unscrew everything off this, so it could just stay as one hole. And this is what it looks like. Gang. Then you want to put in the plastic so it can look clean. Just be careful so you don't break it. Just shove it in there basically and then screw it up just like how you had it. There you go. Okay.
To the vlog.
So the hub is basically on, so you want to be careful. You want to make sure everything is straight and make sure your wheels are also straight. Because if you're not straight, you crooked. Because
you want to make sure to tighten this shit so then
yeah, so you don't
you
fucking
be
fly
driving
off.
on the freeway.
Make sure your hub is
Who called me?
just right. But and then I took off all the bolts so I could show you guys how to screw it. And then you screw the hub. Well, okay, so this is the hub. You screw the quick release to the hub, which is right here. Quick release is already on here. I didn't really tighten it down, but you wanna, hold on, I gotta take this off. Oh wait, he has the other piece. Yeah. So this is the other piece to the quick release. Let me see this, guys. So that's the other piece to the quick release. And you get screw these on, there. Okay, do you know which was straight, or did you lose it? And you basically put it on and then you screw it all in right now. So we'll be right back after we screw these in with an Allen key so you could screw them all in.
You only have these?
Yeah, that's all I had. Why, are you missing some?
You're missing one.
Motherfucker.
You're chilling, man.
Hold on. No, we had all of them. What the fuck? You put it upside down.
What do you mean this is right?
Fuck no, it ain't. Take it.
This is tight.
That is not tight.
This is tight. Look, and it lines up right in the middle.
Bruh. He put it exactly upside down. So don't fuck up like us. We gotta put it up. We are not rolling like that. At least I'm not. So yeah, that release has to be upside down instead of straight up.
Hey, you think your wheel's gonna be straight?
Hey, Gus put it upside down. It was like this. Yeah.
I thought the energy thing would at least be upright.
No, bro.
Upside down.
What's upside down? The whole thing?
No, just the release. So he has to flip it upside down. Got it. He flipped it back. So let's see if it's straight. Bang! Bangers! Look at that. That shit's so clean. Listen. That's fine. You kind of want to tug it, make sure it's all straight or all strong in there. You know what I'm saying? And then the only thing is that the airbag light will come on because you took out the airbag. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna show you guys the inside right now. Oh yeah, now I'm riding with a new Nardi. It drives kind of straight. Pretty straight, yeah, for the most part. But yeah, dude, this is super clean. I love the feeling of the aftermarket steering wheel too, but the stock one's actually, it feels actually pretty good too. But I like how thin the Nardi is. It feels really nice. But it's super clean. I highly recommend doing a aftermarket steering wheel if you guys like that shit. But if you guys like your horn and your airbag, just keep it stock. But yeah, because you don't got a horn or an airbag. You could honestly wire the horn, but every time we try to do the horn, shit never works. But yeah. Probably be the end of the video, guys. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we're gonna actually keep this short. But this Saturday we will be at Grange for the Forever 90s Forever event. But yeah, we'll be there and I'll be recording. Anyways guys, I'll see you guys next time, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you next time. Peace!